Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear beautiful video viewers. Welcome back to my brand new content. Once again, before you, right now I'm standing in this field. Today I have come in my field. Just I will work. You know that this is winter season. That's why at present it has so cold. It doesn't matter. I have to work in my field. At the same time, I am to make English video in front of my camera. You know that I am English learner as well as I am English content creator. That's why every day I have to practice my English in front of my camera. It is the best way for me. After finish my work, I'm going my home. After going my home, I will go to market to buy different kinds of fruits for my family. It is so important for me. Side by side, today in this video I would like to share with you some important tips. It is very important for our every English beginner. You know that I'm from countryside. At present, I'm being able to improve my speaking skill. I'm being able to improve my pronunciation. I'm being able to improve my learning English. How I'm being able to improve my pronunciation? It is very important and common question for me. At present, I'm hardworking in my field. At the same time, I'm practicing my English in my field. Side by side, I have been learning English last 18 months. That's why at present, I'm being able to improve my pronunciation. I'm from countryside, it doesn't matter. If you are from countryside and if you are from city, it doesn't matter. If you want to learn English, if you want to improve yourself, you have to practice English every single day. You have to make English video every day. Then you can become good speaker in your village. Many English learners, they always tell me, brother, I'm from countryside, I'm from city, I don't have enough time for practice my English. I don't have enough opportunity to record myself. I don't have enough place for practice my English. You know that I'm from countryside. That's why when I get free time, I try to practice my English anywhere. Whenever I stay in my field, wherever I try to go, that time I try to practice my English and I try to record myself to improve my speaking skill, to develop my learning English. Like this way I'm improving myself. Like this way I'm practicing my English every single day. If you are beginner, you can follow me. Like me, you can improve yourself. You will remember one thing: there is no alternative way to improve ourselves, to learn English quickly without practice. For that, every day you can practice. Every day you can make English video in front of your camera. I hope that success will come definitely. Today is so cold and it has no sunshine. As you can see, it's weather so bad for our potato trees. It doesn't matter. It always comes from God. Alhamdulillah for everything. Like this way I'm improving. Like this way I'm describing anything in English. Anything in English. If you want, you can do the same thing to improve yourself. Today I'm very busy. That's why I don't want to make it more longer. Stay safe. Stay your home. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.